welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some red beans and rice. I know this recipe usually takes a while to make, but today I have something under my sleeve. I'll show you guys how to make it the easy way, especially for those who's looking for a recipe after work, quick dinner, okay? So today I'll show you how to make it the easy way, and this recipe has so much flavor to it. It's to die for. I have all the ingredients in front of me here that I'll show you guys in a minute. If you're new here, hello, be sure you are subscribed before you leave. Hit the subscribe button because we almost at 200K. I cannot believe it. We almost at 200K, so you need to join the squad and subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me, of course. And yeah, let me show you guys all the ingredients you'll need. The ingredients are half a green bell pepper diced, 2 tablespoons of parsley, half an onion diced, 1 cup of diced celery, 4 smoked andouille sausage. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 garlic cloves, about 3 tablespoons of green onion. To season, I'm using 2 bay leaf, half a tablespoon of Cajun, 1 tablespoon of creole, 1/4 teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of thyme, half a tablespoon of paprika and ground black pepper. Now I'm using water with chicken broth. Now I'll be using 2 different color of beans, light red and regular red. Now I'm using canned bean if you haven't noticed. Yes, if you want to use the dry bean, go ahead and do it. But this is what's going to make this recipe quick and easy. But be sure to drain the water from the beans, all right? In my Dutch pot, we're going to add in the oil. I'm using vegetable oil, by the way. We're going to let that come to medium-high heat. Then we're going to add in the sausage. We're going to cook the sausage until they're slightly browned for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done, we're going to set it aside. Now we can add in the green bell pepper, the celery. Also, we're going to add in the onion. We're going to cook them for about 4 to 7 minutes until they're tender. All right, you want it to be soft. You want it to be nice and tender. As you guys can see, the onion is nicely cooked through, not all the way. Now I can go ahead and add my garlic. I usually add the garlic at the end because I do not want to burn it by overcooking it. You know, all the other vegetables are nice and hard and big, and the garlic is like tiny. Once you're done having the garlic golden brown, we're going to add in all of the seasoning. Now you guys know the seasoning, I don't need to repeat them again. Please check the description box for that. We're going to cook them for about a minute, all right? Then we can add in our bean. Like I said, I'm using canned bean, pre-cooked, but we're still going to cook this regardless, all right? And it will take you less time compared to if you were to make this with dry beans. Now we can go ahead and add in the sausage that we had cooked earlier. It looks so beautiful, and let me tell you guys, the aroma of all these veggies combined is, oh my god, it smells amazing. Now I am going with 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add that in, low sodium chicken broth. And also I'm going in with 2 cups of water. Now you can choose to just use water, 4 cups of water, or just use chicken broth, 4 cups of chicken broth. All right. Then once you add that in, give it a nice stir, just like that. And I will not add salt to this recipe. You can add it, but be sure to add it at the end, like when the food is almost ready, so you don't make the food salty. Come on now. Now I'm adding the bay leaf with the parsley as well. Give it a stir. Now we're going to cover it. Okay, cover it for about 45 minutes. It should be ready. This is about halfway through the cooking process. Cover it and let it simmer again. Now it's almost done. I'm taking a few of the beans. I'm going to mash them with the back of the spoon just to get that thickness in the sauce. So I'm going to mash a few of the beans, then pour it back in there. That way we can have the sauce nice and thick. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Island Vibe and let me know if you're new. Now we can go ahead and add the bean puree. You see how thick it looks. Just pour it back in there. And we're going to let it simmer for about 10 more minutes. You should be good to go after this, okay? And basically that's the recipe. That's the recipe. And of course you can add turkey necks or turkey thigh to this recipe if you like. But I decided to just go ahead and cook it with just the sausages. And look how beautiful. Look how delicious, how appetizing this looks. There's so many flavors in this dish. It's to die for. You have everything: the celery, the green bell pepper, the onion, the garlic. Don't forget the Creole kick. Okay, this is the recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a like. Let's get this video to 500 likes. Y'all can do it. So go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know down below if you're going to try this one. Was it a yay or a nay? Let me know. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And of course, I have to try it for you guys. Y'all know how we do over here. And let me tell you, this right here, y'all just have to try it. You can't just look at it. You have to try it to experience the greatness of this dish, okay? And this is it basically. Thank you for watching. I dearly appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.